Another delay in the sentencing of a woman who admitted to dealing meth on Guam. Prior to her sentencing hearing, defendant Monica Rose Calvo gave the feds a list that included 30 drug dealers and users on island. But instead of learning how long she will spend in federal prison, Calvo spent Monday afternoon watching Chief Judge Francis Tydinko Gatewood and federal prosecutor Maravik David disagreeing over how the U.S. Attorney's Office handled the case. As KUAM reported, prosecutors previously told the court that the information Calvo gave as part of her cooperation was unreliable, the conversation only leaving Tydinko Gatewood frustrated. The chief judge stating, "Oh God, so there is no consistency in the U.S. prosecuting attorney's office? My question is, should a defendant who works closely with the agents, should they get feedback? Doesn't she deserve that? If they investigated this fully and there's no value, doesn't she deserve that?" David responding, "To my understanding, I think they did," adding, "There's a reason why communication is different. Each prosecutor handles their case differently." The chief judge also once again asked DEA agent David Elliott about working with Calvo on the list of names and why he considered some on the list to be unactionable. Elliott telling the court she cooperated, but what I mean by unactionable is that we do something about it, nothing came out of it. She had the opportunity to bring the names to me. Tydinko Gatewood asking, "Are you saying she only gave you names? She provided names but did nothing. She didn't offer." Elliott replying, "Yes. The person who wants the dope has to contact her. It's never them waiting for me. It's we wait for them." However, defense attorney Cynthia Ikube contends her client, despite fearing for her life, has been willing to fully cooperate with the feds and had even provided some of the names before being offered a plea deal. Defense adding the only reason Calvo did not offer more information for certain names of the list was because she disobeyed a court order and was put back in prison. Calvo, who faces 3 years in prison, has since pleaded guilty to conspiracy to distribute methamphetamine hydrochloride. She remains in federal custody and is scheduled back in court on Thursday. Julian Hernandez, KUAM News.